Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. You have got Copilot in your microphone or Microsoft 365 subscription. But when you open Word or Excel, the Copilot button is missing or grayed out, or you get an error that says we can't reach Copilot, you are paying for the feature, but it's just not connecting. This is typically a licensing or account issue. Copilot requires specific accounts, the right update channel, and properly configured privacy settings to work in Microsoft 365 apps. According to the Microsoft support documentation, newly assigned Copilot licenses can take time to propagate, and the semi-annual enterprise channel doesn't support Copilot features at all. So what we're gonna do at this point, we have to confirm the correct account and license. Copilot only appears when the signed-in account has the proper entitlement. So you have to open Word or any Microsoft 365 app, go to File, then Account, enter user information, verify the signed-in account is the one with the Copilot add-on. For home users, this is typically Microsoft 365 Personal or Family plus Copilot Pro. For business users, the account needs a license like Microsoft 365 Copilot. Then you have to basically update Office to the latest build. Updated apps option like Copilot support. So you have to go through File, Account, under Product Information, select Update and Options, then Update Now. Let Office finish installing updates, then restore all apps if needed. Then you have to refresh the Copilot license, check the update channel, and enable the privacy and connected experience. And that's basically the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.